In order to make data-driven decisions with the use of KPIs and Google Analytics, we will utilize metrics that can help us with the visitors, likes, clicks, and purchases, which we're going to determine and analyze. Our goal is to increase, or my goal is to increase the sales of Canon PowerShot SX420 IS within digital class students to determine its impact on their future career. Having a goal in mind, it's essential as that will help us with the accurate selection of different metrics. Let's take, for example, if we were to build an e-commerce site containing Canon and Nikon B500 cameras, we can determine the acquisition behavior and conversion rates, letting us know how many people visited the page, where they're coming from, and if they're making purchasing decisions regarding that. Utilizing Google Analytics will allow us to determine the benefits and identifying the sales of PowerShot Canon within students of digital photography class. By creating a dashboard, we can monitor different campaigns as well as the channels where students are coming from. When performing our quantitative analysis, we will utilize social media channels such as the internet commerce website or direct mailing as well. By utilizing different channels, we can extend our research to the Wisconsin area students, and what we can do that could benefit us our research is to choose on a widget tool, the geo target one, which will be very carefully used in collecting data from different areas, Wisconsin areas, and colleges where digital photography is part of the curricula. Moving forward, to measure the shopping cart visit, we will utilize event KPIs such as click on links in the time period that we have selected. Actionable data will allow us to easily measure the trends and growth or drop in interest of students throughout time. What we'll do, we'll make sure to specify the persona of the student, which is 18 to 35, male or female, in order to evaluate the correct parameters that will give us an accurate analysis response. Once the students are on the landing page, the contact metric or the key indicator of hover over or length of time, length of stay on that page will determine how effective the description and explanation of benefits and advantages of certain cameras are, of certain camera brands. Conversion rate KPI would be, in our case, an invaluable metric as we want to know how many students are willing to buy the Canon PowerShot brand as a main tool to take professional photos and further utilize it in their professional career. Conversion and bounce rate will help us realize if the features of the camera and contact data is effective to influencing students to purchase the Canon PowerShot SX420 IS. And last but not least, the brand metric KPI will allow us to make a comparison in between the interest of students in through the bounce level, as well as the acquisition quantity of Canon PowerShot as opposed to Nikon B500 via traffic over a period of time, which means how many students are buying Canon PowerShot over Nikon B500. Through doing this, we will schedule weekly reports that we can further analyze and further comply with the rate of success that we are looking for our quantitative analysis.